I don't like it.
Why are they here?
No, they're horrible. Okay, I think. Oh gosh, no more spiders. Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, I'm just gonna tilt this a little, just a smidge more, cause there we go. Now we can see Marchie go. Okay. Have fun. You've already had a good warm up. Yeah. I thought you were gonna roll, but I guess not. I know. Shit. Good boy.
The rolling isn't as exciting in summertime. It's like, I can roll on this one.
That's it, yeah.
I'm not running the job.
Okay, just stay in there. Okay, ready, Marchie? No, that's not what I want. Hey.
He's like, I'm really
Go.
not too worried about you. You
Go. Ready? 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 Good boy. Let's go. Ready? Ready? And oh my gosh. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, let's everybody take a deep breath. Why are we not catering to the left? Keep going. This is supposed to be a better side. I know. All right, Rich. Ready? Ready? It's a little more hoppy. Yeah. Yeah, it's more rocking horse. Hey everybody, it's Lauren. And we've got Mr. Lou here joining us with Emily and March in the background there. So where are we? We are Saturday. It's a beautiful day, arguably one of the top days of the year so far. A little breezy, nice and cool, so we thought we'd come out and do a little work with March. Last time we were out, we did a lesson with Emily. Emily taught, which was great. And March was good. I rode him outside. He was a total gentleman. They turned out the minis and they turned out the other horses while we were riding, and he was like totally fine. But the canter work was very interesting. We had a lot of hopping. I'll put the video in here.
That looks better. Of course, as soon as I go to take a video.
So we don't really know what that was about. I mean, to me, it felt like my gut feeling was that it hurt and he wasn't happy to continue. And the fact that it was consistent every time, I think I asked maybe 7 or 8 transitions and he did it every canter. So we took him for a hack just now and he was fine on the trail. He even went down the hill really nicely and straight, which it was previously a problem. He'd go sideways down the hill. So that's good. That means his front legs are feeling better, but it's that back left, man. And we just cantered him free lunge in the indoor. And yeah, the right lead was not as bad, but it took him a long time to get the left lead. And then when he did, you could see that kind of rocking horse, shorter stepping, hoppy, weird thing happening in the back a little bit. So still sore. Maybe the Previcox isn't doing anything. I don't know. We are still about a month away, just about exactly a month from his injection. But we are going to continue working with him, and we'll just keep it at a walk. The trot, he looks off. The canter, he's kind of looking off. So, like we talked about it, we want to keep him going just to a threshold, I guess, that he's comfortable. So we'll do in hand and we'll do some pole work and we'll do some lateral work in the walk. The month of June's going to be a little bit different. One of our dear friends is departing sometime in June to another farm, which is sad for us. So there's going to be some changes happening around here, which sucks. Like we're going to have to figure some other stuff out for his second feed of the day. And we're trying to get an answer on when we'll be doing the paddock, the outdoor paddock, like the grass paddock work for these guys, because the new person that moved into the farm, she's got her horses up on the grass up front where these guys used to go. And that ain't changing. So our guys need a new place to go. The plan is to, we have a plan and we'll go over it some other time, but yeah, that is all I can tell you right now. I was up at the Ottawa Hunt Club today, which was awesome. And I did some drag laying and I was able to watch this time the fruits of my labor.
Is this the right way, Ted?
No, they went out.
And they're just lovely people, and they're inviting us to come on a hunt, and they're gonna we're gonna see about leasing a couple of horses from some of the members. So we might be into that maybe later in the summer, which would be awesome. Anyway, I will sign off for now before this little guy starts to freak out. And Marta and Emily are just doing some lateral in hand liberty work, which I love to see. Okay, ta-ta for now.